Hello everyone, welcome back to Task Tracker by Tracker Suite. In today's video, we will walk you through the subtasking feature in Task Tracker, an important feature that helps your team break down and manage work more efficiently. The subtasking feature helps you divide large tasks into the smaller actionable steps, assign responsibilities, set priorities, and task progress easily. So everything stays organized and clear for your team. This ensures your workflow stays structured, transparent, and efficient, helping your team execute tasks faster and collaborate better in one place. If you are new here, we recommend watching our previous videos available in the playlist below to get a complete understanding of all task tracker features. Before we begin, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product walkthrough and business automation tips. Now, let's get started. Now, so let's do practical how to create subtask in task tracker. Our first step is add bucket. So here we need to create a major bucket of the workflow. It's marketing campaign launch. And while we do any marketing campaign, so we have multiple activities we have to follow while launching any marketing campaign. So first we need to create some sub buckets we always use in any marketing campaign. So our first step is content writing. Second is graphic design. Third is ad creation. Then review and publishing. Now let's start with the workflow. We need to come on an add task. Under the add task you will get a feature is add workflow, and we wanted to launch our Tavi AI calling agent work.
दोबारा बोल दो इसे दोबारा बोल दो यहीं से
Okay, so now adding a workflow, and we wanted to launch our AI Tavi agent marketing campaign into the social media. So we will provide a workflow name is Tavi AI agent, and here we wanted to launch a marketing campaign. For that we need to select a bucket, and we need to assign the workflow to the owner of this workflow, and then you can select the deadline of this work, and you can add task description, plan and manage, complete Tavi AI. So now we are adding the workflow description, plan and manage, the complete AI Tavi product marketing campaign. Then we need to create some workflows for that. So our first step is we need to create a major bucket. It's marketing, because it's a part of the marketing campaign launch. And our first step is content writing, and I wanted to assign this responsibilities to my team member is Mr. Prabal Mishra, and I can set the deadline for this task. And then you can add task description for Mr. Prabal. Create marketing campaign for AI Tavi agent. Then our next step is graphic design, and I wanted to assign graphic design responsibilities to Miss Pragya, and I can set the deadline for her also. Design Tavi creatives. Next, responsibilities is ad creation, and ad creations done by Mr. Rahul Sharma, and this work done before 27th. Create paid ads. Next is publishing, and publishing done by Roshan Kumar. Publish campaign content on Insta and Facebook, and then save the workflow. So once you save the workflow, so every team member will get on task, and if you do it's a sequential way, so that means the first task will be assigned to the first person for the first step, and after that next task will be assigned to the next person. So this is workflow, how we can create a workflow in the task tracker. So that's bring us to the end of the video, today's video. We have just seen how the subtask feature in Task Tracker help you break down work into smaller tasks, improve team coordination, and keep execution more organized and transparent. Book a free demo using the link below to see how Tracker Suite can help your team manage tasks and workflows more efficiently. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our product updates, new features, and helpful work through your Tracker Suite. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.